Good Friday to you. I'm meteorologist Mitch Keegan with your check of your Watertown Weather Watch forecast for this Friday. We're looking at a little bit of fog out there this morning. That'll be lifting here as we head through the rest of the morning. In fact, looking for a mainly sunny sky as we head through the rest of our day. So let's take a look at our weather headlines. First our almanac. 66 was the high temperature yesterday after a low of 42. Average is 60, 37 the average low. 86 today's record high temperature set back in 1980. Sunrise this morning at 7:36. It sets this evening at 6:55. Now to your weather headlines. A quiet stretch of weather here as we head into the weekend, into next week. In fact, only big weather concerns are some gustier winds here tomorrow, and then again Sunday night into Monday. It will be warm for the weekend. Temperatures around 80 degrees here for us on Saturday, and looks like even sitting in the low to mid 80s here for us as we head into Sunday, with then cooler temperatures coming in as we head into next week. Here's a satellite and radar picture this morning. A few clouds yesterday with those gusterly winds. Now we're starting to see some clearing sky, and that's allowing temperatures to drop off here quite a bit. In fact, across the region, still some clouds across Minnesota, but mostly a clear sky going to be filtering in as an area of high pressure starts to settle in. In fact, another area of high pressure will build in from the west to bring us those mild temperatures for the upcoming weekend. So let's take a look at our temperatures this morning, sitting in the 30s, even some 20s off just to the north and west. 28 the temperature so far this morning in Aberdeen, but along with the patchy fog here this morning, also seeing some areas of patchy frost. As far as dew points go, sitting back into the 20s and 30s, so some relatively dry air is in place. As we look at futurecast, high pressure settling in, bringing the sunshine, but I'm watching another area of high pressure here off to the west, and that's what's going to move in as we head into the upcoming weekend, bring us those milder temperatures with highs again closing in on 80 for Saturday, and low to mid 80s here as we head into Sunday with really a mostly sunny sky. It's going to be breezy tomorrow, winds out of the south-southwest gusting to 30 miles per hour. It stays not as breezy for Sunday, stays mild, but then those winds switch to the northwest Sunday night into Monday, drawing in that cooler air. So highs today under a mainly sunny sky, reaching the lower 60s. It won't be as windy. And then tonight, with a mostly clear sky, we drop back into the mid 40s. Well, for these overnight lows, 7-day forecast staying again in the low to even some mid 80s. The record high temperatures are in the mid to upper 80s for both Saturday and Sunday. And Sunday, I don't doubt some of us close in on the mid 80s. Even it's going to be warm enough that even some upper 80s is going to be a possibility. So looking pretty mild here for us through the weekend, but then cooler as we head into next week. Looks like we're in the mid 60s on Monday, maybe closer to 70 here by Tuesday, but then back into the mid 60s on Wednesday, and a little bit cooler by the end of next week. Looks like upper 50s for those highs, but a very quiet stretch of weather, really mainly sunny to at times partly cloudy. So some quiet weather as we head now into the middle of October. Have a great weekend.